You eating like a big boy? Is your chili good? Remember to hold the bowl with your other hand, John. That's a good boy. That's a big scoop, John. Wow, good job. Is that yummy? You like Mommy's chili, huh? Mm. When you're done eating, you can look at the pumpkin. Finish your bowl. Yeah, that's yummy. Good job, John. Almost done. Good boy. Ooh, that was a big pepper you had on that piece. Good job. Getting towards the end, I think you're going to need some more. Is it yummy? Mmm. Okay, Mommy's going to get you more. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera. Bye-bye. You don't want to say bye-bye to the camera this time?
Bye.
There you go.